Your vision is precious and you know it. You feel it every time you struggle to read small text, every time night driving becomes uncomfortable, and every time your eyes feel tired long before your day ends. And somewhere inside you keep wondering, is there a natural way to improve eyesight? The truth is yes, but only if you understand what your eyes really need, what damages them silently, and what simple daily habits can slowly sharpen your vision again. Today, let's talk about the real science behind eye health in a simple, practical, and life-changing way. Most people think blurry vision is only about age, but one hidden problem affects millions: contrast sensitivity loss. This is when your eyes can't separate objects from the background clearly. You may notice it while reading dark text on a dark surface, driving on foggy nights, or recognizing faces from a distance. It doesn't just happen randomly. It happens because the cells in your retina get weaker when they don't get the nutrients they need. And this is where carotenoids come in. Your eyes need two special carotenoids, lutein and zeaxanthin. These are like internal sunglasses sitting inside the retina and protecting your vision from blue light, digital strain, aging, and oxidative stress. But here's the shocking part. Your body cannot make them on its own. If your diet is low in leafy greens, yellow fruits, and antioxidant-rich foods, your retina slowly loses its protective shield. That's why so many people today experience dry eyes, fatigue, blurriness, and decreased sharpness, even at a young age. Another surprising factor many ignore is light. Not all light harms your eyes. In fact, the right kind helps improve them. Safe exposure to natural sunlight boosts dopamine in the retina and improves eye development. Morning sunlight helps regulate your sleep-wake cycle, which is directly connected to how your eyes focus and recover from strain. Even red and near-infrared light therapy has been shown to refresh the mitochondria in eye cells, improving function and clarity. So instead of hiding indoors all day, give your eyes at least a few minutes of gentle morning sun. It naturally strengthens your visual system. But what about the foods you should avoid? Many people damage their own eyesight simply through their diet. Sugary foods, deep-fried foods, excessive vegetable oils, white flour items, and processed snacks create inflammation that hits the eyes first. These foods reduce blood flow to the tiny vessels in your retina and speed up vision decline. If your eyes feel heavy, tired, or fuzzy after eating junk food, that's your body telling you something is wrong. So what should you eat for better eyesight? The best diet for vision improvement focuses on antioxidant-rich foods, healthy fats, and blood flow-boosting nutrients. Dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin. Carrots, pumpkin, sweet potatoes, and apricots provide beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. Fatty fish like salmon and sardines are packed with omega-3s that help prevent dry eyes. Nuts, seeds, eggs, blueberries, red grapes, and bell peppers add even more eye-protecting power. Your eyes also depend on specific vitamins to function properly. Vitamin A keeps your cornea healthy. Vitamin C protects the delicate blood vessels in your eyes. Vitamin E reduces oxidative stress. Vitamin D supports overall eye structure. And B vitamins improve the communication between your eyes and brain. When even one of these nutrients is missing, your eyesight can slowly decline without you noticing. Improving your eyesight naturally isn't about doing one big thing. It's about small, consistent habits. Give your eyes sunlight in the morning. Eat carotenoid-rich foods. Avoid sugary and fried items, and support your eyes with the right vitamins. Protect your retina from strain by blinking more, using the 20-20-20 rule, staying hydrated, and getting enough sleep. Your eyes are living organs. They respond to care, nourishment, and lifestyle changes. You only get one pair of eyes for a lifetime. Treat them with the care they deserve. Every small step you take today, every healthy food you eat, every minute you give your eyes a break, every moment you choose sunlight over screens, moves you one step closer to clearer, sharper, stronger vision. Your eyesight can improve, your clarity can return, and your eyes can feel younger again. Start today, because your future vision depends on the choices you make right now.